welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I have a special little video that I wanted to share with you guys today. I got a really cool big box. I'm really excited about that. Let's see if I can. I don't know if that side showed it. Can y'all see who it's from? Lehmans. So I was the prize winner from a little drawing from Two Family Homestead. I'm really excited about this, guys. Sherry and Daryl at Two Family Homestead sent this to me, and you know, I do a cooking show, and I have been pining over this skillet for a really, really, really long time, and it's going to be a huge, yeah, I just said that, asset to me. This is it's called My Wife's Favorite Skillet. It's a Lehmans skillet. If y'all know anything about Lehmans, y'all know you don't get crappy stuff from Lehmans. I will share their link, their store link below. I also shared Two Families Homestead. I will share their card right here. Go check them out. If you don't know who Sherry and Daryl is, I don't know what to say, man. They are just amazing. This is oh, look at this skillet, guys. This is a nitrogen hardened cast iron skillet. Oh my gosh. Wow, 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 wow. You are going to be seeing me use this a lot on Mama Z's. Oh, guys. I don't think I have ever owned a skillet this nice. And there's Lucky. Yep. It comes with a instruction book, how to care for it. It's got a heavy duty handle. It's got a lid.
Oven safe.
It's oven safe. You can put this in your oven. It comes with a limited warranty. It tells you it's also got other things that you can get from Lehmans. It's got just how to season, how to care for it. Oh my gosh, friends, this is a really nice skillet. Thank you to Sherry and Daryl. Thank you, Lehmans, for sending this to me. I am truly, truly honored and blessed. I'm not just saying that. I'm super excited about this. I will put the link below to this particular skillet, also to Lehmans and to Sherry and Daryl. Thank you so much. I am completely and totally honored to get this skillet. Thank you. So I hope you join us tonight for our live. We are going to be discussing the obvious elephant in the room. So anyway, thank you so much. God bless.
In the great outdoors.